Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have to find the smallest value of n that satisfy this below inequality. So we have this inequality in terms of n and we have to find the smallest value of n that satisfy this inequality. So let's start the solution. So in the problem it is given that root of n minus root of n minus 1 must be less than 0.01 and we have to find the smallest value of n. So first what we can do that we can multiply by root of n plus root of n minus 1 in numerator and denominator. So we can multiply. So this thing will become like a plus b and a minus b type. So it is a square minus b square. So it will become like n minus n minus 1. So it will become like 1 divided by root of n plus root of n minus 1. So we can write in this way 1 divided by root of n plus root of n minus 1. This must be less than 0.01. So we can also write 0.01 in this way like 1 by 100. So we have 1 divided by root of n plus root of n minus 1 must be less than 1 by 100. This we have. So now this is positive number, this is positive number, and this is positive number. So if we cross multiply, then the inequality sign will not change. So the inequality will now become like this type. And we know like if root of n plus root of n minus 1 is greater than 100, then we also know root of n is greater than root of n minus 1. So we can also say that 2 times root of n must also be greater than 100 if this quantity plus this quantity is greater than 100 and root of n is greater than root of n minus 1. So if we replace this root of n minus 1 by root of n, then this must also be greater than 100 because we are replacing with a larger quantity. So from here we get root of n is greater than 50, and if you square both the side, so this will become like n is greater than 2500. So this we have. Now initially we have like this 1 divided by root of n plus root of n minus 1. This should be less than 1 by 100. So in this inequality you can see that if we increase n value, so this denominator part should increase and this overall thing value will decrease. So overall will decrease. So So in the problem, it is given that we have to find the smallest value. So assume let n be the smallest value for which this inequality is satisfying. So if you put n value less than 1, like n minus 1, if you put, then is this inequality sign should be reversed. So this inequality should not be hold for n minus 1 if you put in this equation. So if you replace n by n minus 1, then this inequality become like this. So this should be greater than equal to 1 by 100. So now we have this equation. So now if you look at this, so this will become like this. This should be less than 100. So in this equation, if you replace this by root of n minus 2, then we can say that this thing less than 100 because we are replacing this thing with a lower quantity like n minus 2. Root of n minus 1 is greater than root of n minus 2 and we are replacing this quantity with lower quantity. So this will become less than 100. So from here you can see that root of n minus 2 is less than 50. So if you square like this will become like this. So from here we get n is less than 2502. So from this equation we get n is greater than 2500, and from this we get n is less than 2502. So the remaining value of n is, which is integer, is 2501. So this is our answer. So in this way we can solve this problem. This is the smallest value of n that satisfies that inequality.